Okay, I just want to do a quick video on cleaning up the data once you import it into the offer database. So I'm going to go ahead and just again insert some data into the database, same way that we did on the previous training. So I go ahead and I scroll to the very bottom block of the data. I do Control Shift Home. That selects all the data in that block. Go ahead and go to the offer database under bank properties for this example. I'll go ahead and paste that data. So now I'll go ahead, once I have the data in there and I've inserted my offer price right here, whatever offer price he came up with, $50,000, whatever, and go on down the line. This automatically will calculate an offer price, but that's not what we want to do here. You actually want to put in your offer price. So anyways, going through, the things I want to clean up are the CF and the CG. It's on the instructions. It's also highlighted red, and you can highlight the whole thing red if it makes it easier as you're going through it. There's a lot of them here. So things I want to clean up. So as you're going through, like all I want in here is title company, and if there's no title company, I just want it to say TBD, to be determined. So list off, stuff like that, to TBD. Just put that in there, okay? Um, that's all. So same with that one. So title company, fine. This has certified funds to the title company, so take this out. All I want to say is title company. Title company again. They're doing the same thing here. Some of these bank listing agents do this just to be a pain for guys like me that are sending out offers. So, and then scrolling over to CG, if there's nothing in the column, put in $1,000. $1,000. And it doesn't need a dollar sign. You don't need to make it fancy. When I populate that into my offer, it will clean that up. So that's all there is to clean up that section. Now as we scroll over to name, and if you have a lot of them here, I would go ahead and just sort this. You can say it has a header row, but for this example, I'm just gonna quickly get to this section here. DN, 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 DN. So I want to sort DN. So that's actually going to sort my header row, but for this example, I'm just trying to do it quickly. So Creed Smith is actually a real estate firm name. So I would put agent, agent. So agent, agent. Okay, and I'd put that for all of them. And you can just drag that down to populate that. Scrolling on down, let's see. I want to say the actual agent name. And so let's see. So all these are names of the people. There's my header row. Just quickly doing this, so I might miss something. Power Steam. Okay, the Power Steam agent. Agent. Okay, and there's a reason why I want to do that, because it's actually going to auto-populate later. And if I don't have first and last name, it's going to give me a values. It's going to throw up a value sign, and then it's not going to populate my offer correctly. So here it'll actually populate agent. So it'll say dear agent on the letter, or dear agent, or sign here agent. So it'll populate my offer correctly. So that's all there is to it in cleaning up the data once you import it in. And of course, you're filling in your offer prices here. And instead of doing one big bulk insert like I just did, you're probably going to be piecing this together throughout the day. So you'll get like 2, put them in here, put the offer price, another 3, put in the offer price, and so forth, and so on and so forth. And you're building your database down. And then at the end of the day, you'll want to just go back and clean this data up a little bit. And that's all this is video is getting at, is cleaning this data up at the end of the day before you send this over to me. So that's it.